Hey guys, this is Fundam on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Uzalo. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Monthly get the wall pulled over his eyes after making a progress on the case. He thinks that Mtambisi was helping the old center with the money, but the assistant of old center tell Mondli that Mtambisi renovate the old center house and there is no money that he put on the old center. While Hlelo gets a big news, Osipho and Pastor Gwala found out something new about Kazmulo. And it seems like Pastor Gwala is losing attention of Kazmulo. When Kazmulo wants to tell Pastor Gwala about the drone, but Pastor Gwala is busy with the Nosipo unborn child. Ntambisi wants Kapsile to take a decision. After a 1 week, he leave Kapsile alone with Konzi. And it seems like Ntambisi wants Kapsile and Konzi to break, but the all things is on Kapsile hands. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.